Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yani Prasya Putri. Here I will be presenting my paper title, The Influence of Political Connection on Management Team Compensation with Company Ownership Type as a Moderating Variable. Empirical study on BUMN and non-BUMN company listed on the Indonesian Stock Exchange 2018 until 2022. And the background of this research is first, there are many appointments of director, of commissioner who have political connection with company, with BUMN and non-BUMN to smoothen the company operation. And the second, in connection result of previous research. The result of Chijima et al. 2014 and Chow et al. 2019 found that political connect boards have a negative impact on compensation. Well, Greyston 2011, Ding et al. 2015, Gracia Mecha 2016, Wu et al. 2018, Lopez dan Santana Martin 2019, and Wahyu et al. 2022, political connection have a positive influence on compensation. The replication of research is Wahyu et al. 2022. First, the study used moderation of the type of company ownership, which in previous study used moderation of institutional ownership, because it is estimated that the two companies have different characteristics in appointing people who have political connection and providing compensation level. And second, measure political connection by using a ratio measurement, which in previous study used dummy variable. And third, the sample of BUMN and non-BUMN company listed on the Indonesian Stock Exchange in 2018 until 2022. While in previous study using a sample of all companies listed on the Indonesian Stock Exchange in 2015 until 2020. And the research objective of this research is first to test whether the type of company ownership affect the compensation of the management team, and second, to examine whether firm ownership type moderate political connection on management team compensation. And the method of this research is first research object. The object of this research is BUMN and non-BUMN company listed on the index in 2018 until 2022. And two, data type. This research is a quantitative study which uses secondary data. Three, sampling technique, purposive sampling. One, company listed on the index in 2018 until 2022. And two, company that publish financial statement and annual report using rupiah currency. Three, company that consistently provide compensation. And data collection technique. The data collection technique used in this study use documentation technique. And then the result of this research is the result of coequation. One, political connection has a probability value of less than 0.05 with a positive compensation value, meaning that political connection have a positive effect on management team compensation. And two, ownership type has a probability value of less than 0.05 with a positive compensation value, meaning that ownership type have a positive effect on management team compensation. And control variable, financial performance, company size, COVID, and industry type. Only COVID and financial performance have a positive influence on management team compensation. And then moderate regression analysis test, result of regression equation 2. First, political connection has a probability value of less than 0.05 with a positive coefficient value, meaning that political connection have a positive effect on management team compensation. And two, ownership type has a probability value of more than 0.05 with a positive coefficient value, meaning that ownership type has no effect on compensation. And then interaction or moderate has a probability value of less than 0.05 with a positive coefficient value, meaning that interaction or moderate have a positive effect on management team. The discussion of this research is first, company ownership type on management team compensation. The result of testing hypothesis 1, the type of company ownership has no effect on the level of compensation of the management team. Significant alpha more than 0.05, this means that the type of company ownership that is differentiated based on BUMN and non-BUMN company has no difference in determining the level of compensation. And second, firm ownership type strengthens the effect of political connection on management team compensation. The result of testing hypothesis 2, the type of company ownership moderates the effect of political connection on management team compensation. Based on the moderate regression analysis test, it shows that the variable type of company ownership in this study is a pure moderation variable with a significance of alpha less than 0.05. This is aligned with agency theory, which states that agency-problem relationships are more likely to priority the interests of the government than the interests of minority shareholders, so that in overcoming the conflict between stewardship, compensation follows our need to minimize adverse action caused by this conflict. And then the conclusion and suggestion. The first conclusion of this research is type of company ownership has no effect on management team compensation. The refer in can be interpreted that the type of company ownership differentiated by BUMN non-BUMN companies has no difference in providing management team compensation levels. The type of company ownership moderates the effect of political connection on management team compensation more in non-BUMN that BUMN company. The type of company ownership in this study is included in pure moderation. The control variables of financial performance, company size, COVID, and industry type are only financial performance variable and COVID variable that affect management team compensation. And then suggestion of this research is the variable used in the future are suggested to add other variables that affect the compensation of the management team, such as the addition of the variable technological capability of the management team so that the ability of the result is getting better. This study only uses a ratio measurement, namely comparing the number of politically connected board member and commissioner with the total board member of the company. Therefore, it is necessary to provide weight in measuring the level of political connection so that level of political connection of a company can be seen from various aspects. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.